Hi, this is the application called Mandy, the Intelligent Companion. And this is an application which is linked with PubChem, which is a API with more than 13 million records of chemicals that are used in the industry. It is linked with YouTube, TikTok, Twitter to get accurate response and information. There are three necessities that we have to identify with chemicals. We have them at home, so we may store those chemicals, mix them, or apply them for ourselves. So we are proposing to use Wit.ai to understand what are we going to do with a chemical and what is the best procedure to manage those chemicals. So this is the idea, and mainly is focused on getting faster decisions and more accurate responses. Okay, now that the application identifies some possible options, and specifically just one option because it is the top one from YouTube, here the video was downloaded and transcribed, and after that we summarized all the information that was stated on the video. It doesn't matter whether it is 1 hour video or 2 hours, it summarizes all the information and presents it in 10, 15 sentences. And that's it. Here is the final messages, and if you check your email, you will see something like this with all the information so that you can resend it or read the whole summary.